Okay, hello there. Today, I'll teach you how to multiply fractions. That includes multiplying simple fractions, multiplying a fraction by a whole number, and multiplying mixed numbers. In multiplying fractions, we have three basic steps. First one is to multiply the numerators. Second, multiply the denominators. Third, and simplify your answer. So let's have example. 2/3 times 5/6. Okay, following the basic steps, let us multiply the numerators. 2 times 5, that is 10. And 3 times 6, that is 18. We have answer 10 over 18. The last step is to simplify your answer, or simply reducing the answer to lowest term. 10/18 is equal to 5/9. And 5/9 is our final answer, and that is already reduced in lowest term. There is an easier way in multiplying fractions if possible, and that is by way of cancellation. So let's take our example again. 2/3 times 5/6. Cancellation is applicable to a pair or pairs of numerator and denominator which has a common factor. In this example, 2 and 6 has a common factor. 2 and 6, their GCF, or the greatest common factor, is 2. So we can both them divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Our new numerator here is 1, and our new denominator here is 3. So 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have our final answer, 5/9. So you can see 5/9 is already in lowest term because we did cancellation before we multiply. Okay, so let's take another example. We have 2/6 times 3/9. Let us apply cancellation. So you can see 2 and 6 can be cancelled. Their GCF is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 and 9 can also be cancelled. 3, their GCF is 3. So therefore, 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. We can now proceed to the basic step in multiplying fractions. 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 3, 9. And it will give you answer already in lowest term. Now it's your turn. 4/5 times 10, 12. Okay, so we can apply cancellation. This one, we can cancel 4 and 12. Their GCF is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. We can also cancel 5 and 10. Their GCF is 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Proceed to multiplication. 1 times 2, that is 2. 1 times 3, that is 3. So our answer is 2/3. Did you get the correct answer? Next is multiplying fraction by a whole number. So let's say 3/5 times 4. Okay, always bear in mind that a whole number is always a denominator of 1. Any whole number, it has a denominator of 1. So let us put denominator of 1. Now it is already in fraction. We can now proceed to the basic steps in multiplying fractions. That is to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 1, that is 5. And the last step is to simplify your answer. The simplified answer for this one is to change this improper fraction to mixed number. So 12 over 5, that is 5. No. It is 2 and 2 fifths. So that is in simplified form of 12 over 5. Another example. 8 times 1 half. So 8 times 1 half. So 8 a whole number, therefore we just put a denominator of 1. Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. But then, as you can see, we can apply cancellation here. 8 and 2 can be cancelled out. Okay, so 8, their GCF is 2. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So multiply, 4 times 1, 4. 1 times 1, 1, or simply 4. Okay, the last one is to multiply mixed numbers. Mixed numbers consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. So let's have 2 and 1 half times 3 and 2/3. Okay, 2 and 1 half times 3 and 2/3. These are in mixed forms or mixed numbers. First, let us change or rename the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let's have 2 and 1 half first. 2 and 1 half, its improper fraction is 5 over 2. Simply 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, that's 5. And copy the denominator. Second one, 3 times 3, 9 plus 2, 11. And copy the denominator. So that's simply 5 half, or 5 over 2 times 11 over 3. We can now proceed to multiplication. 5 times 11, 55. And 2 times 3, that is 6. 55 over 6 is in improper fraction. So let us simplify. We change it into mixed number. So 55 over 6, that's 55 divided by 6, that is 9. And 1, 6. So our answer is 9 and 1, 6. Let's take another example. Let's have 1 and 3 6 times 2 and 2 fifths. Okay, so we change 1 and 3 6 to to improper fractions. 6 times 1, 6 plus 3 is 9 over 6 times, change this also to improper fraction, 2 times 5, 10 plus 2, that's 12 over 5. Let us proceed to multiplication, but we can apply cancellation here. 9 and 6 can be cancelled out. Their GCF is 3, so 9 divided by 3 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, we can also cancel 12 and 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, 2 divided by 2 is 1. We can now proceed to multiplication. 3 times 6, 18. And then 1 times 5 is 5. So it will give you 18 over 5. Simplify our answer. 18 over 5, that is 3 and 3 fifths. Okay, it's your turn to 3/4. That's 2 and 3/4 times 1 and 1/3. Go. Okay, so let's have 2 and 3/4. Rename that into improper fractions. 2 times 4, 8, plus 3, it will give you 11. Copy the denominator, which is 4, times this one. 3 times 1, 3, plus 1, 4, that is 4 over 3. Okay, so let us proceed to multiplication. But we can cancel 4 and 4. It will give you 1 and 1. So 11 times 1 is 11. 1 times 3 is 3. So we can simplify. So that is 3 and 2/3. Did you get the correct answer? Very good. Thank you for watching.